The composition of the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly was established to draft and adopt the Constitution of India, which was the supreme law of the country. Here is the detailed composition of the Constituent Assembly. Total membership. The Constituent Assembly originally consisted of 389 members. Out of these, 292 were elected by the legislative assemblies of the British Indian provinces, 93 represented the princely states, and 4 were nominated by the Chief Commissioner provinces, Delhi, Ajmer Merwara, Coorg, and British Baluchistan. Representation. The members of the Constituent Assembly were elected by indirect election. The members of the provincial legislative assemblies elected their representatives in the Constituent Assembly based on the proportional representation system. Provinces and princely states. The provinces and princely states were allocated seats in the Constituent Assembly based on their population. The provinces were divided into 3 categories: general, Muslim majority, and Sikh majority. The seats were distributed among these categories proportionately. British Indian provinces. The British Indian provinces were allocated 292 seats in the Constituent Assembly. The distribution of seats among the provinces was as follows: Madras, 55 seats. Bombay, 35 seats. United Provinces, 34 seats. Bengal, 30 seats. Punjab, 23 seats. Central Provinces and Berar, 20 seats. Assam, 9 seats. Bihar, 20 seats. Orissa, 9 seats. Sindh, 7 seats. Northwest Frontier Province, 1 seat. Princely states. The princely states were allocated 93 seats in the Constituent Assembly. The number of seats allotted to each princely state was determined based on the size and population of the state. Some of the princely states and their allocated seats were: Mysore, 9 seats. Hyderabad, 9 seats. Jammu and Kashmir, 7 seats. Travancore Cochin, 7 seats. Gwalior, 4 seats. Bikaner, 3 seats. Jaipur, 3 seats. Udaipur, 3 seats. Nominees. The Chief Commissioner provinces, namely Delhi, Ajmer Merwara, Coorg, and British Baluchistan, were allocated 4 nominated seats in the Constituent Assembly. Women members. The Constituent Assembly had 15 women members, including prominent figures such as Sarojini Naidu, Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit, and Hansa Mehta. These women were elected by the provincial legislatures. Chairman. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the President, Chairman, of the Constituent Assembly. Committees. Several committees were formed within the Constituent Assembly to deliberate and finalize various aspects of the Constitution. These committees included the Drafting Committee, Steering Committee, Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, Union Powers Committee, etc. Advisors and experts. The Constituent Assembly also had a group of advisors and experts who provided technical and legal assistance in drafting the Constitution. Some notable advisors were B.N. Rao, Sir Aladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, and Sir Benegal Narsingh Rao. It is important to note that the composition of the Constituent Assembly changed over time due to resignations, deaths, and new elections. The final Constitution of India was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, and came into effect on January 26, 1950, marking India's transition to a republic. Thank you.